Applejack sour. So what we do is add, I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of Applejack per cocktail. Because Rachel is thirsty, I'm making 2 cocktails. We're gonna add...
Why are you making this about me?
I'm making this about you. It's always about you. So this is a sour drink. So a sour drink always has...
I like apples. I did not ask him to make an apple brandy drink, but I'm not upset he's doing that. I'm just pointing that out.
Okay. So a sour drink always has a spirit, something sour and something sweet. So I'm using lemon juice because I think lemons and apples go together nicely. And then I have simple syrup, which you make at home. It's very easy. Half sugar, half water. Heat it up until the sugar melts, and then you can store it in the fridge in one of these squeezy bear type bottle thingies. So this bottle thingy is not really cooperating. Hurry, bottle thingy.
Honey, you have to cut the top.
I know, I forgot to cut the top.
Give it to me.
He's gonna go cut the top. So now, because I want this to be like a pisco sour, I want it to be frothy. So what do you froth a drink with? Egg white. If you don't want to use egg white, that's totally cool. Just leave it out. It'll taste the same. It just won't have that like frothy mouthfeel. So here we have about 2 egg whites. So in order to make this froth, I'm going to add a little more simple syrup. Thank you very much. Oh, now it's cooperating.
You're welcome.
So this is a little trick. When you're frothing a drink with egg white, ice will impede the frothing thing. So I'm going to do what's called a dry shake for a few seconds before I add the ice and chill and shake the drink to chill. So what I did is I just took the spring off this Hawthorne shaker, little springy thing, and I'm going to put that. I'm going to kind of do like a slinky thing. Well, I don't think you even need to do that, but I'm going to.
It's a slinky.
It's like a slinky, and I'm going to put this in the shaker. Honey, can you get me tongs, please?
Sure.
And that's gonna, when I dry shake this, it's gonna froth up the egg whites even more. You can hear that thing, whoa! And it pops because it's a dry shake, so there's no ice. So you just wanna be a little careful, make sure it doesn't explode all over yourself like it just did all over me. Okay, now we're gonna add ice, which I don't have ice. Honey, ice emergency.
Ice emergency. I'm coming.
Well, you can see how nice and frothy that is. Sort of.
Is this enough ice, babe?
That's enough ice.
Okay.
Thank you. Now we're going to shake it to chill it, now that it's been frothed. And you really want to shake it till, especially if you have a metal tumbler, until your hands are really cold. Then you know the drink's cold. I've also chilled down, we had these little coops. I chilled them down with ice and water before I started making the drink.
You do that often?
Well, you gotta put a cold drink in a cold glass, otherwise the cocktail police will come after you. Look how frothy that is. And then, just like in a pisco sour, we're going to garnish the top of this, where it's all frothy, with a little bit of bitters. We're using Angostura bitters. It's like a little dash. Little dash will do ya. And here, let me show you what that looks like. It is kind of pretty.
Oh, honey, it's so beautiful. Seriously, that's a beautiful cocktail.
Thank you, honey.
It's very beautiful. You want me to take a sip?
Yes, cheers.
Wait, you should never touch the cocktail on the cold part of the glass,
I
right?
know, I'm touching the stem, which is what it's there for.
Mm.